Inbound by number 15, Arce. To Nidea. The leader. The captain ball. To number 6, Fake. Perimeter shot. No good. Rebound. No. Hindi nagkaapo yan. Almost stop it. Pass. No good again. Rebound by number 3. What a rebound by number 3, Garcia. Ang daming Garcia talaga sa ano. Joy. Almost traffic. Goal. Almost losing the ball. Back to number 4. To Joy. Number 3. Over. Para by De La Peña. Yes. By Mr. De La Peña. 37-28. Back to 9-point lead to 1 digit. Nidea, second to play. Pass to number 6, to number 20, baseline shot. In and out. Follow by Nidea. But there's a foul. Foul on number 4 of White.
Second foul.
2 shots for number 1. Nidea. Taking time. Take time. First try. Whoa, too strong. Too strong by Mr. Nidea for the second try. Too strong again. Rebound by number 3. Oh, not by Arce. Almost close. Still by Nidea. Nidea follow up. Yes. Nabawi yung dalawang shooter niya. Oh, delaying the game by the yellow team. Under 8 minutes and 19 seconds. 8 minutes and 19 seconds. Galo, the power forward. Drive. Pass to number 4. Keep to Joy. Joy back to Concepcion. Then goes up heavy tapping, but there's a foul. Foul on number 15 of yellow. Second personal foul by Mr. Arce. Under 7 minutes and 50 seconds. To Concepcion. To Galo. Galo fake. Jumper. Baseline shot. Too strong. Rebound by number 6, Ali. Ali drives in. Pass. Pass to the wrong man. Still by Galo. Almost traffic. Almost losing the ball. Yes. By Nidea. Nidea drive. Fake. Pass. Easy basket by number 1. Oh, number 4. Setting the play. Fake. To Joy. Communication on white team. Kunti pa, 6 minutes and 53 seconds. Under 5 minutes pa. Magpapalitan. Nidea. Nidea setting the play to number 15 at the 3-point area. Fires! Tuso! Oh, Nidea, jumper! No good! Oh, there's a holding foul by number 15. Third personal foul. Tatlo ka na, kaibigan. Under 6 minutes and 15 seconds. 6 minutes and 15 seconds. Joy to number 4. Oh, good stop by number 15. Ayi, baseline. Give to Arce. Arce setting the play. Back to number 6. Pass. To score. Outside. It's a white ball. Under 5 minutes and 45 seconds. 5 minutes and 45 seconds. We are in the third quarter. Give to number 27. To number 3. To number 6. To number 27. Concepcion. Almost lose the ball. But there's a foul. Foul again. By number 15. Apat ka na. Substitution. Substitution na po tayo. 5 minutes, 5 minutes. Follow our rules. Every 5 minutes we have to change player. Change player po tayo. These are our rules. Ayun na po, lalo lumas ang yellow ngayon. Meron ng yellow, meron purple. Meron number 8. Oh! Garcia, follow, set, follow. Gibon by Galaon. It's a jumper. It's a simple. For the referee, Mr. John, the professional referee cabinet. Da Silva, receiving the ball. Give to number 6, the power forward, Carlo, setting the play. Back to number 4, fake, jump, using the ball, no good. The time, driven by number 74, Garcia. To number 5, again. It's a yellow ball. Last touch by the red team. Last touch by the red team. The yellow ball to Mr. Garcia. 31-28, still. 13-point lead by the yellow. Almost. Still, but followed by number 8. Rebound by the white. Give to the Silva. The Silva. Yes! Alaga yan! Mr. Silva. Right on the left hand by Mr. Silva. Under 3 minutes and 25 seconds. To Castillo. Fake. Pass on the 3-point area. Too short. Rebound by number 8. Castillo. To number 33. 33 to Carpo on the 3-point area. Pass. Too short. Rebound. Up. Yeah, yan ang referee. Aware na aware. Ang galing ng ating referee, Mr. Jeff. Number 31, pass to number 8, reverse layup. Number this time, rebound by number 74. Dito to Silva, the left-handed. Pass to 74, Garcia. Foul. It's a jumper. It's a jumper. It's a simple. Under 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Score 41-30. 11-point lead for the yellow team. To the Silva. The Silva dressing. Pass. To score. Rebound by Gallo. Pass and back. By play. Using the ball. Outside. It's a yellow ball. Gasis, pass to number 9, Cabio. Back again to number 20. To Calayo, to the 3-point layup. Kaboom! By Mr. Calayo. Time out! Right. 44-30. 14-point lead by the yellow team. Under 1 minute and 51 seconds. 1 minute and 51 seconds. Ano second game? Kasi? Second game. Anong start? Second game natin, Unity versus ano kalaban?
Kasi Jojo. Yan yung kalaban, di ba?
Kami na kagad? Oh, sorry. Unity versus kami. Ano lang po, last game kami. Inbound by Mr. De Silva to Sumulong. Receiving. Back to De Silva under 1 minute. Dalawa. Short. Follow by Garcia, number 3. Yes. Oh, second game kami. Number 33, first, yes! By number 33, Gonzales. The hitman. Nakakampigyan sa kabila. Sumulong. 2-5, no good. There's a pushing foul by number 8. for the first try. Good. 46-23. For the second try. Good again. Number 28, setting the play at the seconds to go. 50 seconds. We are ending for the third quarter. Time for the three. Negative stance. Too strong. Rebound by Carlos. Carlos to the Silva. Almost losing the ball. The Silva. Pass. Too strong. Up. For the dropper. Castillo. Castillo. At the rear. Sorry. Oh, too strong. Again. It's a jumbo. It's a symbol. Seconds to go. It's 26.8 seconds. 26 point. Up. Back in violation. Overexcitement by Mr. Carbo. Last shot. This is a last shot. 25 seconds. We are ending for the third quarter. De Silva. Back to Simulo. 21 seconds. Oh, no stop. Oh, it's the back arrow for the right team. Last touch. 19 seconds. 18. 17. Cases. To 21. Nalagipag arrow. Pass. Kaboom! By Mr. Castillo. Sumulong foul. There's a blocking foul by Gonzalez. 5.5 seconds remaining. Penalty ba? Oh, penalty ba? Penalty. This is the first shot by Mr. Simulo under 5.5 seconds for the first try. Too strong. Second try. Shot. Leader by Castillo. One more. Set the referee. 4.6 seconds. 4.6 seconds. Iwas regulation tayo. Stepping on the line. Hintayin bumagsak ang bola. Sa ring. Ayan again for the third try. Guerrero. Time out. Briones. Ano yan? Briones Real Estate Group. Briones Real Estate Group. 4.6 seconds. 4 seconds na lang tayo. Yan ang 14 seconds. 4 seconds na lang po tayo. 4.6. Dapat walang foul ang red ito. No foul. Good defense na ang gagawin yung red. Good defense. Pistol pass to number 9. The head of closing. Carlos Ortiz. Negative. Pusher. Yan ang maganda sa player. Tawa lang. Smile. Enjoy the game. We are enjoying this game. This matchup. Our score is 49-35. Still, 14-point lead. We are entering for the fourth quarter. Unity for the second game. Unity versus Amihan. Come on, mag-prepare kayo. Kaya pa yan. 10 minutes po tayo. For the 2 minutes, stop lang tayo, diba guys? 2 minutes, stop lang na po tayo. Again, our referee, Mr. John and Mr. Jeff. Hello, Mr. Vidal and Mr. Asensio. And Mr. Arellano. Winner lang sa our one more of the variety, Mr. Manapa. Back to the ball game. This is excitement between the white and the yellow team. Third quarter na po tayo, kaibigan. Ito ang original Kalo. Camilo, ano po ba nila? De Silva. Third. Camilo. Drive pass. Using the ball. Ball out. Rebound by Castilla. Camilo. It's a foul. Foul on number 282 of white. Nidea, setting the play. Number 6, Ayu, will be coming to Arce, and the people there, kaboom! Arce, 3 points! So, naku, medyo nag-aalangan na po ang score, lumalayo tayo, 52-25. Sinagot mo doon sa phone, mag-abistan, sinulong. Take! Tutusin na ang people there. People there. 3 points po yan, 3 points. Oh! Last touch. Batayaw. Score 52-8. Okay na po? Okay. 8 minutes and 47 seconds. 8 minutes and 47. Garcia, setting the play. Back to the Silva. Pass to number 24 to Juvenera. Pass. Shot is down. Rebound. It's the left touch by the right team. Briones, Lidea. Setting the play. By number 27. Lidea pass. Tusok. There's a pushing foul at number 1, Lidea. Running na ba yan? Fourth personal foul by Mr. Lidea. Pasado pa maaga. Apat na po tayo. Ito po nagsisinungaling ang ating Britain. Oh, Mr. Garcia na Juvenera. Carry the play. Using the ball. Two-stop. Substitution tayo nila. De Silva. They have 5 Apple. After 7 minutes and 36 seconds. Toss at the Juvenera. Back to number 1. Number 1. Bad pass. Apple. Masyado po nagmamadali. Substitution tayo, substitution. Right, may takap ba? Wala. Number 6, Color, back to number 23, Joy. Mag-enjoy tayo dito. Palaro, Joy, Brazil. Pass, flat. Pitch by pass to number 00. Oh, Lamo. Yes. Nagpakaba pa. Kalo, the power forward. Back to number 20. To Brazil, number 56. Tusok. Pitch by pass tayo. Too strong. Outside the ball. De Silva receiving the ball. To number 6, the power forward. Come on. Kalo pass. Too strong. Follow up. Baik ke sila number 9. Follow pa rin. Wow. Taas po tayo naman. Enjoy lang tayo. Enjoy. Like, ano to? Number 00. 2 shots? Enjoy lang po tayo. Enjoy. 5 minutes and 54 seconds. 5 minutes and 54 seconds. For the first time, Bay Garcia. Shot this time. For the second try. Oh, in and out. Driven by number 6, Ayu. Give bonus team. Receive by Joy. Joy by team. Play back. Oh my goodness. Black and green. Midaya. Arce. Arce nagmamadali. Fires! No good this time. Follow-up shot. Too strong again. Almost missed the ball. It's center. Center referee, Mr. Chef. Back to the building. To number 1, to 6. Jumper. Too strong. Ruben Regalo. To number 27. Habang kayo, right. Come on. Pagantayin natin ang laban. Kasi up on the free. Shot. Ruben Regalo. 28. John. Magaling. Ilabas. Pass to Carlos. Carlos, come on. Carlos. Carlos, Carlos. Pass. No. Oh, stop. Pass to the wrong man. To number 6. Cellular, 3 points no good. Cellular, oh, pass to the wrong man again. Arce, pass, too strong again. Ruben Bae, follow up, pass. No good, but there's a foul. Time out. Time out, right. Our score is 54-28. Under minutes of 3 minutes and 57 seconds. Foul by number 23. Of right, Joy. Yeah. 2 shots. Back to the building. Wow, ang lakas ng yellow. Tinampakan ng white. First try. Yes. 55-38. Hello, Mr. Biray. Biray ng Biray. Second try. Short this time. Oh, to De Silva. De Silva. And the trouble. To 74. Drive back. Short. To Joy. Oh, almost good.
9 seconds to shoot.
Outside. 9 seconds on clock. February for you, Mr. Jeff. Under 2 minutes and 57 seconds. Oops. Ano yan? Out of communication. Choice for the three. Nagmadali. Yes! Kaboom! By Mr. Joy. 55-41. Oras-oras tumatakbo. 3 minutes and 56 seconds. 3 minutes and 56 seconds. Gedea. Tukas-tukas to Castillo. Back again to Gedea. To number 6 Ayep. Jumper. Yes. Big T cover. Ang yellow. Ang lalaki ng yellow. Paano mo sasagasaan yan? Oops! Salva on the three-point area. Quick! Back to Joel. Joel will take again. Jumper! Shot! You did not number 8. Pass to number 8. Right back to Arce. Using the clock. Pass! No one, but there's a foul! Nako, takbo shot dyan. Foul by number 23. Choi. Idol, magkakataon mong makascore dyan. For the first try. Yes! Wow! Confident. Napaka-confident ng tira nito. Pangalawa, short. Tatlo yan, boss. Tatlo. Boss, tatlo yan. Tatlo. Stop lang po tayo. Ay! Di pala. Di ba pala? Sa 2 minutes pa pala yun. 2 minutes and 30 seconds for the third try. Too slow, over by Kalu. Kalu, bonus by number 8, Castillo. What a play by Mr. Kalu. The power forward. pushing that competition. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. The last 2 minutes is spoken by Briones. First drive ever. Briones, Real Estate. For the second drive. Cool. 58-42. Time out! Yellow! Ito, pahinga na po ang yellow. Kapa, foul lang kayo. Foul lang. Basta penalty. Pero ang layo na niya.
Layo. Pwede ba makatawid dito yan?
16 point. Inbound number 8 to Carpio. One of the best players of this day. Number 9, Carpio. Pass to 33 Gonzalez. Pass. Rebound by Alec. Come on. 1 minute and 35 seconds. May pagkakataon pa. Tapos 3 na lalapit tayo. Da Silva. To Garcia. The people there. Shot is time. Given by Joy. One-up shot. Yes. Pwede na yan. 14 na. Pwede na yan. Pwede ka mag-foul. Diba? Almost twice. Tumoto. Pass to number 8 to Gonzalez. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Carpio, one of the best player. Almost steal. Heavy traffic. Cassis, setting the play. Back to Gonzalez. Back again to Cassis. Moto. Pass. Dito. 1 minute and 2 seconds. Pitch ball pass. Oh my gosh. Outside. Pagod na si Mr. Da Silva. Napagod. Sure na po ang yellow nito. Seconds to go. 55 seconds. Oops. Foul. Number 28 of white. Two more foul to give for penalty. Two more foul for penalty again. Oh, steal! By Joy. Almost losing again. Cassis. What a play by Mr. Cassis. Ang bilis. Small but terrible. Si Cassis. 34 seconds. Carpio. Fake. Pass to number 8. Castillo. It's too strong. Seconds to go. 32 seconds. Da Silva. Sinalawa. Yes! Kaboom! Da Silva 3-point. 17.7. Carpio. Almost steal. Oh! Ang galing pa rin. Yama! Huli na ngayon. Hinala na ba? Amor! 4 seconds. Da Silva. Pass! Counter. 58.